Cause we drink, started not to give a fuck and stop fearing the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink, started not to give a fuck and stop fearing the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink, started not to give a fuck. My account, the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink, started not to give a fuck. My account, the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink, started not to give a fuck. My account. Now money.
Yo, what's up, guys? Yo, my my intro is being weird. Uh, hey, no, I wasn't sleeping. Yeah, you know. And this is a rare occurrence, okay? This is a rare occurrence. Why do I hear myself? There we go. That's weird. Um, uh, voice monitor. Hello, hello. Hold on, guys. There's an echo, and I don't know why there's an echo here. Weird. Hold on, let me change my settings. What did I do overnight? I didn't really touch my settings. Give me like 1 second. How about now? Should be better. Sure. How about now? Should be better. Sure. How about now? Oh, you know what it is? Jesus Christ. There we go. Bruh. Yo. So here's what happened. So my YouTube audio, like from the YouTube side of the stream, was still playing. Hello, you guys hear me? Yeah, so my YouTube audio, like I had, like, you know how you can see your YouTube stream from like your channel, so that audio was on, so it was a 1 second delay, so it kept playing like my audio. Jesus Christ. uh it's 1 second now. Yeah, it's 1 second now. It should be fine. What the hell? That's weird. Yeah, it should be good now. Should be good. Everything's good. Sounds better. Good. 1 second delay. Cool. So, all right. What am I doing here? Okay, so yeah, so GJ. Let's go GJ. Shit. Sorry guys about the late stream today. 10 minute late. Nothing much happened anyway, so we didn't really miss much. Welcome back, guys. Go on this. Okay. What are we looking at here? Let's see. Did I send the Zoom link out? I didn't send the Zoom link out. I'll send it out. Alright. There we go. Should be good now. Alright. Organic. Had to go over and listen to the streams while I was waiting for man. Hey, bro. Bro, late stream today. Bro, waking up, like, starting to stream 10 minutes late feels like I'm starting like 2 hours late for some reason. Feels weird. Feels like a whole different day. So, let's look at GJ here. Alright, what am I looking at? I'm not sure. I don't know. Okay, let's look at this. So GJ is currently bearish. We all know that we are currently bearish. If you look left, guys, we have nowhere else to go here but this support down here. So I'm looking at this like, 135,816 could be today's target, right? Because if you look left here, we did break these levels here. We did break out of these levels. Now we have absolute clear traffic coming down to like this level down here, which is 135, 922-ish. So I'm expecting price to push down today. This is a weekly candle, right? So let's look at the daily. Daily looks very clean coming down to where? Same like kind of area, right? So pretty much probably looking for like probably aim for on streams today for like 136,463, that level. That's my level of that's the next level where we have like some minor support at. So I'm probably aiming for that on the streams for a New York session. But let's see here. Yo. So okay, so I think guys, we're in this range here. We're currently in this range here. Let me drag this across. And this is annoying. I hate when markup charts and I have to drag things across the whole screen like this. I'm using a smaller time frame, but it's what I gotta do. See here. Pretty much the same markup I have from yesterday's new Asian session. And this is your nearest support. So I'm looking for, yeah, let's see here. Maybe I should work on my chart first. God damn. For you spoil the thing, bro. I don't want to be. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, we did come down to that support. So currently we're in this range right here. I'll say I'm looking for sells maybe below 136,855, because after that you have like targets coming down to like 136,463. This level right here. And I'll show you guys in a bit. Let me just finish drawing this thing. Yeah. So like if you look at this 30-minute time frame here, or it's 1 hour time frame, we're currently in this range, right? So we can kind of label this a range. Um, I'm gonna look for probably sells. Looking at the top of this resistance, maybe like let's see here. How's 30-minute, 15-minute look? I'll say maybe below like these levels here. I'm probably looking for sells below like 130, 143. Let me draw a minor support there to show me that. Okay, let me draw a minor line there. So probably looking for sells below there, coming down to like 136,855, right? Because overall, if you guys look at this, we're in a range here. Look left, we're still in this like we came down, made support, came up, made resistance. So this is kind of like your big overall range, right? But this on the 15-minute is like a range within a range. If you guys see that? This is a range within a range, right? So I'm looking for sells below there. So so technically, once we actually come down to like the bottom of the range here at 136,844, below here, coming down to so pretty much this from here to here would be my ideal sells. So that's like a 37 pip range-ish. Look left, that's very clean traffic. So I'm gonna try to get an entry. Yeah, that clean traffic right there, right? So I'm trying to look for an entry on the 15-minute here, below this mini range here, and I might have a runner coming down to the support down here. So it's like a 66-ish pip move today. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. Might be a little confusing, but it's kind of like a range within a range, and I'm gonna attempt a runner coming down to like 136,477 today. Below the support. Probably gonna have self sets like Sam said, yeah. Sam had to spoil it for me. But yeah. Double click and extend right. Is that a thing? Hold on. Double click. Oh my god. Is it? So if I double click this, I mean I still gotta extend. I still gotta see where I'm drawing it to. Yeah. It's just annoying drawing it like this, but it is what it is. We saying yes, sell stops? Yes, sell stops? Wait, they can't hear you. That's weird. Hmm. Yo, who's that? Oh shit, it's you. Bro, my audio? Don't know why I touched there, but let me change this. Properties. I'm gonna go down to settings, audio, desktop device 1. Hmm. Weird. Uh, yo, talk. I don't know what a YouTube said. I can't hear you guys. Hmm. Talk now.
Yo.
Alright, there you go. Bro, my settings, guys, is I don't know what happened. Let me take a picture of my settings. That's weird. There we go. Alright, we're fixed. We're good. I prefer to stream to the other guy. Oh, nice, bro. I mean, hey, appreciate it. But I love. I had to go over and listen to the stream on this, that. 1 second delay, fix that. Pound continue falling today. Yeah, I'm expecting GJ to continue falling today. I'm expecting GJ to continue to push down today. I'm looking for sales below the support here, coming down to like this range down here. This is clean. Settings extend right. What do you guys mean by double click settings extend right? I'm confused. Oh, extend right? That's a thing? Oh my god, hold on, let's see. This is okay, so double click
This is
that.
game breaking.
Extend right. Oh my god, this could have changed my life, bro. Yo. No way. No way.
Oh my god.
For real.
Oh.
For real. Jesus. Hold on. Let's see. Does that actually work?
Bro, whoever said that, FI Samurai, thank you.
Okay, so let's say I
That
do
made
this.
back tested so much easier.
Yo, it just extends right now. No
We
way.
broke the Fibonacci code. Let's get it.
Oh, no way. That just changed your life. Yo, for the longest time, bro, especially when I did the coronavirus, during like the virus, when we started trading in March, you know how like we had to go so far back look at data? Bro, I had to scroll like for ages on 30 minutes after. I'm like, yo, where is this, you know? Jesus Christ. That makes sense. Okay, perfect.
Man broke the Fibonacci
Bro, I
code.
feel.
Yeah, boy.
You feel so dumb now? I feel so dumb. I've been trading for probably like 2 years and I didn't never even realize that you can do that.
I ain't never ever seen you act like this before. I ain't never ever seen you act like this before.
Yeah. This is clean. Okay, so let me try to figure out something. I'm trying to figure out if I want my resistance to be up here. Let's see. How does it look up here? This looks like it makes sense on a small time frame here. But how does it look here? Yes, it makes sense. I mean, it was still in the range. Yeah, it makes sense. See here. 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute makes more sense in this case as well. 30 minute makes more sense as well. That resistance there. Yeah, I can see this can put me range here. That makes sense. Okay, that's fine. And then my support is just gonna be right here. Perfectly fine. Yeah, so this range is new. This is a new range. So that's why I only have a mini line here for that. So this is a new range that just created probably like a couple hours ago during London. What do you think of US30? US30.
This man finna do that shot every pair now.
Dude, this gonna be me. This gonna be me. Okay. Yeah, this is pure organic. Jesus. Okay, US30. Currently, we are on a downtrend, just like GJ. Look left. We could be approaching these levels right here. Oh my God, this is actually a life changer. I can just click like that. Yeah, I'm looking. Look left. We could be coming down to like the support down here. I'll say the support right there. Go on. Let's drop down a time frame. See how the small time frame looks. I mean, I can tell you it's bearish. Right? I'm not gonna really monitor this. You know what? Actually, yeah. I figure out where I want to draw these. Or down there. I'll draw it down there. So you guys probably seen me using multiple time frames majority of times, because like, it just depends on what time frame looks the cleanest. And I can use a small time frames or whatever bigger time frames to confirm that type of trade. Like, so for example, for US30 I use here like the 30-minute, 1 hour, but like for GJ I can use like the 4-hour daily, you know, to mark up my support. It just depends on like the scenario, and I get that question all the time, and I can't really answer it because it's kind of hard for me to answer, because it just depends on the scenario, right? But you guys just really gotta see me just do it live for me to honestly, just for you to really get it, what I just look for, because it might be a bit confusing if I just explain it. Let's see here. So I keep getting that question, Don, what time frame do you use? So how come you use a 15-minute time frame today, and then you're using the 1 hour today to enter instead of the 15-minute? You know, like it just. And sometimes you hear me say the 15-minute time frame is weak right now, and you guys might hear me sometimes I'm gonna answer off the 15-minute time frame in a different scenario. So it just depends on the scenario. But yeah, US30 is pretty choppy right now. Maybe sells like below these levels here. Below this range here. No, I'm not looking low for. Yeah, below this range here. Probably below this range here. This is your range. I'll look for sells below here. This is like a what? 350 pip move on US30. Coming down to support down here. Look left. We should be able to have clean traffic. Well, say like this. Daily has clean traffic below there. I can see that. See what I mean? Like for like 4 hours choppy, 1 hour still look. Like, this is still a little choppy here. 30-minute. The only time frame that's clean is a daily time frame. So I'll say if the day kind of flips here and it comes down to this support, at that time the 4 hour will be breaking these lows right here. So therefore you should be able to get some clean traffic coming down here. I'm not really here to trade US30, so there's that analysis though on US30. It is bearish, I'll say that. Yep. my move that I'm trying to catch in GJ today, guys, is gonna be this right here. Because if you look left, this is your range we formed. We had clean traffic right here. So if price does break the support here, high chance we're gonna come down to the support down here. And when we come down to that support down there, if you go to the higher time frames here, on like, you know, the 1 hour time frames, you're gonna have an overall range overall. So if you look left, see how this you have a range here? We're currently in the range right now. So if price breaks below, you know, 136.855, looking left, we're gonna come down further. So that's why today I'm gonna attempt some big runners to my target. US oil, send me a chart, I'll take a look at it. Everyone wants to hop on the, I think everyone wants to trade US oil right now because it's moving. And trades taken, let me delete that. That was from yesterday, not today. Is the music playing, guys?
Not on the Zoom.
Oh no, you guys want music? Here.
Yeah, lots of music.
Calming music. Or yesterday? So many opportunities to enter yesterday. I was watching the recap of yesterday's streams and it was just crazy.
Yeah, yesterday was busting. I
Like-
should have just.
Like you can literally take a trade. Like you took a trade, took a nap, woke up, took another trade. That's how volatile it
Bro,
was
I
yesterday.
seen it like in 5 minutes.
Yeah, like yesterday was pretty insane, bro. I'm gonna lie.
Super easy to trade.
Yep. I was watching the other guy play COD yesterday, Trayman Paul. I was watching his live streams
He's sick.
on Twitch.
I caught.
He's at 3 KD. Yeah, I saw. I feel like I can play with him. I asked the other guy as well to play COD. He said, "Yeah, sure."
What, Ted?
Yeah, I was like, "What Ted play COD?" Yeah, I'm gonna stream it on this channel, Psychology X COD. Let's get it. You imagine I stream without him knowing? He's just speaking fat knowledge. I'm just streaming. He's like, he doesn't even know that I'm streaming it. I held 20% of that trade you called yesterday made me a good 40 pips. Nice. 40 pips. Oh, you held down. Nice, yeah. Oh, you attempted a runner. Yeah, I mentioned yesterday that you can have a runner coming down to that support down, I think 800 levels or something like that. I forgot where. I think it was, no, my bad. No, it was 137, 800 levels, I think. I forgot where, bro. But I did mention a runner, yeah. I guess he held it down to there. Yep. Trying to figure out something, guys. The support is kind of whatever. All right. How about there? Is that better? Yeah, it's better. That's clean. 30-minute, 1 hour, 15-minute. Yep, that's all clean. Alright, cool. The support is very strong here, guys. 136.842. That support down there. So, let's let me just type in sells below here. Cause like here's what we're gonna do here. Here's the plan today. We're gonna attempt 2 sells today. Well, if one works, then one works. But we're gonna attempt 2 sells today. Sells below 137.142 below this range here, And then if that doesn't play out, I'm gonna attempt sells below here. I'm gonna wait for sells below there. So, not bad. We'll catch some pips today. Not good. Yeah, the way you managed the trade was epic. I learned so much. Yeah, that, honestly, I think that what's up? Instagram. I think that trade, this video here was probably my favorite video, like regarding to like how to manage trades. If you guys watch it, it was just so clean here. Let's watch it together. I'll give you guys my thought process.
The previous
Live.
oh, breaking these lows here, guys.
So in this scenario, the reason why, like, so obviously some people could say, oh, what, you're moving your stops too soon, this and that, right? The reason I move my stops here is because if you look at this right here, the scenario, you see that this candle has broken this low. So this, and also this is a new hourly high. So if this candle is breaking this low, this is the high. This is the new high now instead of this high. So the price should respect this high now. Now that we broke this low, because this is your new one, right? This is your old one now. You can scratch this out and focus on this one. So I move my stops to this candle high here as we broke this low. So let's see this play out. Let's see what happens there. And then yeah, pretty much.
I think I could move my stops down a little bit now, only risking 4 pips on this trade here.
Well, it was only a 4 pip stop
as we
loss
broke this
after.
low here. So now instead of risking 10 pips, I'm managing my stops. I'm moving it down to the current candle high.
So whenever you move your stops down, you're actually saving pips. So for example, I was risking 10 pips at first, but then as price started to come down and break lows, I started to trail my stops, right? Move my stops down to the current candle low, in a most logical sense, and we saved about 6 pips there. So if the trade went wrong, we would have saved 6 pips.
As we're breaking that low there.
But
Only risking 4 pips down the trade.
and
Love the vibes of streams, brother. Hey, peace and love. Appreciate it. But yeah, so pretty much the reason why I move my stops down is because as price is breaking the low here, this is now your current candle. So price shouldn't break this candle high now, back inside the range here. We're probably gonna come up to here to range a little bit, right?
right, because if you look left on this, what would happen if price does break this low? It's gonna come back up in the range here. Look left. This is clean traffic. Think about your trade from the opposite side as well all the time. What happens if price breaks a certain high? Where's that gonna go? Clean traffic works both ways. If you're in a trade or if you're not in a trade, right? So, yeah, pretty much that's why I move stops entries
so
there.
that's why I move my stops down to here. About 7 pips in profit, guys. I'm moving my stops to.
And usually I mean for whenever I'm like about like 7-ish pips in profit, 6 in that range-ish, depending on the scenario. Like in this scenario, yeah, I move my stops to entries, making this a risk-free trade because our entries at the top of this candle as well. So we had a pretty decent entry here, and from that point, I just let the trade go to pretty much
Entries here, making a risk-free trade. 8 pips, 8.5 pips. Can we get 9, 10? Let's get it. Risk-free trade here.
and then you know
Free trade. And there you guys have it. There you guys have GJ coming down.
on 12% profit, close half there and let the runner go TP. I think I closed at the end here. I closed at pretty much near TP right there, and that was pretty much it. 19 pip move. We could have held, obviously we could have held for longer. We could have let the trade go for like a much longer time period. But I did mention that that was my comfort level on that trade, and I was fine taking profit there. I didn't really want to, you know, hold it pretty much any longer. But yeah. I'll say that trade management was pretty good. I am not gonna lie. Bro, I'm looking for sells today, right? Yeah, let's see here. Probably. I mean, let's see. If you break this high here, 137,718, how does that look? Yeah, probably looking for sells today only. Probably only looking for sells today. Let's see. Above this resistance though looks very clean for buys. I'm not gonna lie. Above this resistance right here. See. because above here, it's kind of like the stage 1, stage 2 thing, right? This would be your stage 1 here, and this would be your stage 2. Above here would make sense for buys, above 137,750. But I think I'm probably gonna look for sells today.
The daily close with like very little wick.
Yeah, range
or
go
no
down,
wick.
right?
Yeah.
Let's see. Barbara's gonna break the highs here. Yeah, kind of just gonna be more of a waiting day today. Gotta be patient today, man.
I think that if we like create a support above this resistance, then I'll probably look to take a buy. Or
Above here, I mean, yeah, it makes sense. This clean trap to the left. Above here, you have like this little range here. I don't know. I just don't want to get caught in like a fake out, you know,
yeah,
that scenario. Because I mean, even if it is a fake out, you'll probably be able to.
I'd rather just like catch a fake out.
Yeah, you would cash a fake out anyways. Happens many times. Trade facts. How often do you switch your bias between trades? E.g., just take a sell, access when the next count close back in the range. You ever trade like that? No, I never. And that's no, because that leads you to over trading, and then that leads to, you know, like I've been in that situation before. No, I just usually stick to one bias and take like 1 or 2 trades based off that bias. If I switch my bias, I'm only gonna stick to that bias. Like let's say I switch to buys, I'm only gonna take buys. Like I'm not gonna take any sells. My bias, because for my bias to change, a lot has to happen. Like I've changed my analysis one time in my streams, and people are like, no, remember that day when everyone was saying buys GJ, and I took a sell. When I switched my bias during like I think midstream, because price on a smaller time was showing bearish momentum, and it led to the bigger time frame. So pretty much I switched my bias that day, and I stuck to those sells of bias the whole day, and the rest of the day GJ just kept waterfalling. I think it was like last week, something like that. But yeah, it's very rare for me to switch from bias. But when I do, it takes a lot for me to really do it. But yeah, but I'm never gonna be like, oh, I'm taking a sell here, but when price breaks above here, I'm looking for buys. Nah, I'm still looking for sells. It's just that price may not be ready to break the support yet, so sells are not ready yet. Right? 'Cause I'm only gonna take sells below this certain area. I'll just be patient with it. Cause this could happen today. Who knows? Like. I'm just throwing this out there, but this could happen. If this is a fake out here, if you do go up here, be aware that we're still in an overall downtrend, and price is easy to just like flip back, right? Let's see, we break above here, we break above this resistance here, price can just easily flip back bearish, back into range, and then when price does this is when I'll take sells. This is when sells would happen, and I'll take sells coming down to like the support down here. Like down here, you know, because this would be a fake out now, right? Because what happened here is we broke pretty much out of the range. We had a range here, we broke out of the range, price broke back inside the range, meaning that it's breaking now support, which was resistance, coming down to fill the range, and eventually continue down further. 85% of filling the range and 75% chance of continuing down, right? You guys know this. You guys know the drill here. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be patient with it, because this could happen, and if that happens, that'll be golden. We'll have a better entry. The range go down. 150 viewers. What up, guys? I want to test something out. Do you guys hear this? Oh, you guys do. Cool. Alright, did I miss a chart? Did someone send a chart earlier? I think I missed a chart. The delay is fixed? Yeah, the delay is fixed, bro. There's no more delay. I fixed it before the stream. I think I missed a chart, bro. Hold on. If GJ breaks this resistance, would you consider looking for buys? I'm not gonna look for buys. I'm just gonna wait for the support to break her. US oil, you can send me a chart of US oil and I'll take a look at it. Send me a nice analysis with nice breakdowns. How do I do that? So pretty much you go on your trading view or whatever what you mark up on. Well, pretty sure it's trading view, right? And then you give me a nice analysis, right? So for example, if I were to give an analysis, okay, I'll show you guys how I mark up charts. This is how you mark up charts. So you mark up your charts, whatever, from your own perspective, right? But then you gotta explain your charts, right? And that's the part where people struggle with. So pretty much you go here to the call out tool, and usually use the call out tool here. And I pretty much, I'll say, for example, let's say this is my support down here. I'll say this is your one support being made during pre and Y. So pretty much the pre and Y session, which is right now. This should support made during pre and Y. And I'll say that this is your resistance that's formed. So let's say 2 formed. For example, something like this, right? And I'll say like, okay, let's say for example, I'm looking for sells below the support here. So I'll say 2. I usually send a chart whenever I'm in a trade. Well, whenever I finish a trade, but it's kind of like pre-trade, I guess. You can say that. So I'll say 3, looking for sells below this support. So explain to me like what you pretty much see, right? So looking for sells below this support here. If, for example, let's say you see clean traffic right here, right? You could maybe label like this as 4 clean traffic candles, and then 5 like here down here. This is like your target level, target for sell. So I'll get the general idea of what you're looking for, right? This just makes sense. So you understand that you're in a range right now, and you're waiting for that range to break to take sells, followed by clean traffic candles here. And you see that's pretty much how I'll expect charts to be sent as that. Or if you send me a losing trade, I'll take a look at those as well. But don't never send me a winning trade, because it's kind of useless for everyone here. No one's gonna do much with that. Where did Jimmy go? Got dipped. Have you covered gold or not yet? Oh, I haven't covered gold yet.
15-minute close bearish.
15-minute close bearish? Yeah, I did. At resistance.
I was hoping that it would close like weak bullish so I could just have a sell slot. But
Oh, yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah. Yo, I haven't answered those in a while, bro. Like, whenever, you know how candles close at resistance bearish?
Mhm.
It's been a while since I've seen a scenario like that for me.
Yeah.
Like, you answered off of it yesterday, I saw on the 5-minute. But I haven't answered those in a minute.
Damn. We may be breaking the 30-minute right now.
Like, technically, the 1 hour time frame closed bearish at resistance here, showing us lots of rejections. And this hourly high never broke the highest. So this could be a liquidity wick right here for price to drive down.
Are you gonna wait for a closure?
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute close below here. We have like what, 7:30 here?
Because it's breaking the
Yeah, it's
low
breaking
right
the
now.
lows here. 30-minute has no top wick.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, 30-minute just closed too. Yep.
God damn it.
Then we'll wait for
I
the
wanted to get an entry on that 50-minute candle. But
Then wait for the next 15-minute candle. Jimmy said this driver hit the power line and neighborhood power went out. Bruh.
damn. I think this is gonna be a momentous push.
Momentous push. Okay, momentous push.
Look, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty. There.
Oh my god.
Wait, did you answer?
Oh my goodness. No.
30-minute broke
I
the
should've.
lows. The only issue I had here is that like this has no top wick.
Clean. So, yeah, but like that's what happened with GJ. Making those no top wick pushes, no bottom wick pushes.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for a 15-minute closure.
Hopefully it rejects a bit.
Oh yeah, yeah, nice wick for some, Should.
Nah, but we got plenty of room for salsa.
Mine's in 5 minutes. I'll send a chart now. Yeah, send me a chart, bro. Have we covered gold or not yet? I'll take a look at that in pretty much right now. Actually, I have time right now before GJ finishes this move here. So sure, why not? Gold, I am expecting where this day candle is pretty nasty. I'm not gonna lie. You guys look at this day range here. Look where it's been ranging for the past pretty much. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like pretty much 2.5 weeks ish. There's one big range here. It's a big range. It's like a 600 pip range, but it's still over our range. We can't really see to break out. I think past couple days we've been in a smaller range here. This is like a what 200 pip range-ish, something like that, 150-ish. So I'll say sells today will probably be below this day kind of low here. If you break 19, like I think this is what 19. What is this? This is 1905 400. We can look be coming down here. So like these levels down here. Pretty much. I'll say sells below 1911. Yeah, that would be your most logical sense. Cause look what happened. We never broke and closed below that support level yet. Look, rejection and rejection. Wicks came down, but a candle never closed below. I mean, there's not enough momentum for the price to come down, right? So if a candle actually closes below, high chance we're gonna continue down. So that support down there, and that's gold. You're looking for something like this. You're looking for a closure like this, one, and then look for the next candle to continue down like this. This is what you're looking for. But for this to happen, you're gonna need a candle to close below that range here. Make it strong. But yeah. Yo, hopefully this 15-minute candle goes up, makes a top wick, and comes back down. I think I'm asking for too much though. But if that happens, that'll be cool. I mean, 1 hour has a wick, so like, you know, it's kind of like, I guess, and whatever, I guess.
Man, that's actually a good entry on the 15-minute.
Yeah.
It's just the stops, but
15-minute? Which one? This one? The one up here?
I was looking at taking it once it broke the low, but
oh, that's what you mean. You had a good month in August, no?
August?
Yeah.
Nah, I had like a break-even month pretty much.
That's fine. But yeah, I don't know. You weren't that awake in August, were you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
September's a new month though.
You've been up every day September. Surprise. Right at 6:30.
I had a pretty good week so far.
You've been waking up?
Sure.
I want the thank you for your help, bro. Yeah, I got you. No worries. No worries. Bitcoin pace moves like gold, right? Bitcoin, I forgot how Bitcoin moves. I haven't traded in so long. It's been a while. It's been like over a year. Bitcoin
Probably moves different than gold.
Let's see here. Like this candle right here is like I don't even know. Is this 35 pips or 350 pips? I think this is 35 pips, right? Yeah, I forgot how Bitcoin moves, man.
It's 350 Litecoins, bro.
Litcoin. I used to call it Litcoin.
Litecoin.
If you guys enjoy the streams, leave a like. Oh, somebody sent a chart. I'll take a look at it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't get charts on this other OBS thing for some reason, but on a YouTube stream I do. It's kind of weird. Yeah. I answered 5-minute time frame. So I answered on this close of this candle. We closed below the previous 5-minute candle. Yeah, this is a nice trade. Move stops breaking after that push and target the 5-minute support for 6-7 pips. Yeah. I guess you caught a smaller range that was in the range here. You caught like I guess this range. This is a range that's in the range, right? Yeah. So yeah, this made sense. This is a 5-minute time frame though. Yeah. I mean the trade did play out. But, I mean I did say don't send me charts that I already played out, right? Send me charts that you're about to enter, or your losses only. But yeah, it's something it's a clean chart.
I think this could be a big hourly candle.
This candle looks like it's gonna make a huge push here. We're breaking lows here. Oh Jesus! Looks like we're gonna make a huge push here. Clean. Yeah, the only issue I had in that trade was the 30-minute time frame, man. It has no top wick. It's tough. Now looks clean. Yeah, 1 hour is very clean. 1 hour is probably your cleanest time frame. It made sense, right? Cause like look what happened here. Price came down, made support. Price came up, made resistance, right? So this candle right here closed bearish at resistance, meaning that this is the top of the range, right? Because this is an over a big range. So if this is the top of your range, price shouldn't break this high if it wants to drive down. And this candle right here, pretty much what I did was,
damn it.
yeah, like I think. Yeah, we have like 4 minutes left to see. Fuck. But yeah, this candle right here, pretty much made a liquidity wick, never broke the previous candle highs, and pretty much once it flipped bearish, it just came down. The only issue I had here was this 30-minute, man. That's why I didn't answer a trade. Let's see, we can still get an opportunity, maybe if you got a nice wick fill or something here. Never know.
I think my target's gonna be 136, 540 for the day.
Yeah, that's my target too, pretty much. But yeah, guys, like don't worry about it, cause like the overall sales would be below here as well, alright? And then if you look at this, oh yeah, this is pretty much clean traffic here, man. I'm not gonna lie. Below here, which is pure clean traffic. Below here, sure, you should expect a waterfall coming down here.
Yo, how do you do that extend left shit?
So you double click on, like, you draw a box, and then you double click on it, go on settings, and click extend left, extend right. Next on left. Like right here. On a rectangle. Yeah, you gotta draw it like across. You can just draw it down. Like that's a life changer.
Oh wait, so does it just go all the way? Like it goes like all throughout the chart?
Yeah.
Or you can say
like
where?
it goes on forever, eternity. I feel like dragging it is more organic, you know? I'd rather draw it across.
Boy. Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah. I can't believe Jimmy held that runner overnight like that.
I know, it's crazy. Bro, this guy got like, man, I'm just cheese. Like that. Yesterday was such a good day to hold the runner.
Yeah.
Need to get way more comfortable with
I don't know.
that.
I've been back in. I haven't been holding runners for that big in a while since I had like a 100 runner.
Your runner worked out though yesterday. Like.
If I were to hold it,
you got an extra 10 pips.
Oh, on a 20 pip move? Yeah.
That's like.
Cause like
that's like the equivalent of just getting like 15 pips, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, it's good.
It was fine. It's whatever. People ask me, "This is my hair." No, we're gonna.
I just hope Jimmy like has reasonable stops now.
I mean, his stops are in profit.
Like I feel like stops should be like above this range that we're in right now.
Yeah, that would make sense. I think his stops were only like up here, so 10 pips in profit.
Hmm.
I don't know.
This is gonna be a sad boy if that shit just.
Yeah, he's gonna be a sad boy. Let's see, we have a minute here. GJ, I'm not asking for much, GJ here, but all I'm asking for you, GJ, is for you to maybe create a wick coming up to here, so that we can have a nice entry. But if that doesn't happen, then it's whatever. But yeah, we are approaching this waterfall zone here, so expect the waterfall here, right? This is just waterfall. You can't really stop this.
Waterfall.
Yeah, expect the waterfall here, guys. Coming down
Falls right
here.
here.
That's alright though. We'll look for cells below here. This is your another range here. This is your big range that's in the range here. So it's all good. Don't have FOMO. I think wait for a retest.
A 5-minute entry.
No, no. I think we'll wait for a closure below here. What's up?
Said that 5-minute entry though.
Your 5-minute entry from earlier.
No, this one right here.
Oh, I don't know. I mean,
Minute just closed below 15 pips.
$30 seconds. Cop the WAP coin. The WAP coin. The fuck? What can you buy the WAP coin?
WAP.
Oh shit, bro. Just kill me. Whoever caught this trade, nice trades. If you guys took this 30-minute, I'm guessing it was 30-minute here, below here, sell stops. If you took that trade here, nice trade. I can't enter when there's no top wick. It's just, oh man. I think maybe if I saw this 1 hour before, like I didn't realize that like the 1 hour had a top wick already, so it kind of like scratches the 30-minute, 15-minute top wick out. You know what I mean? Like 1 hour has a top wick, but 30-minute, 15-minute doesn't. But the 1 hour will like take over it, so like there wouldn't be affected much by it. Like I said that before. Oh, I've only said that scenario when like I kind of closed with no top or bottom wick, not when it opened up. But this candle right here, this 15-minute candle has no top wick and no bottom wick, which is rare. This is a very rare candle here.
Yeah, the thing about like having those sell stops with no top wick is like this is like an area of rejection. Like
yeah, like you
could easily break the low.
Yeah, like I've seen it many times. So I just wait for a top wick to be made now.
But I think your entry should have just been I think my entry would have been once it broke the 15-minute low. Fucking.
It's alright, guys. If you guys look at this, guys.
So much volume.
Guys, look at this. We're in a range overall. Look left. We're in this range here. This range here. Drag all the way across. It's the range we're in. So look left. What do you have below here? And what are you gonna have below here? You have. This is cleaner than what we had just now. Actually, this is much cleaner. This is like a 36 pip range-ish. I'm looking for cells below here. 36-ish range. And we're only trying to catch 10 pips either way, right? So either way, here or here, we'll still catch the 10 pips. So don't stress about it. Be patient. The trend is cleared down, so I went in. I was following push above. Stuff for me. Nice trade, bro. 37, 390. Contrary effects, if a candle has no top bottom wick during a session with lots of volume like NY, is that not a good sign to that momentum volume will keep pushing? Well, it depends what top or bottom wick you're talking about. Are you talking about a candle closing with no top or bottom wick, or are you talking about candle opening with no that has no top or bottom wick? Or are you talking about like it's different scenarios, right? Which candle are you talking about? I have a video on different candle closures here. Different no wick candles here. There's a lot of scenarios here. Yeah, many of them. Which one are you talking about? I mean, if you're talking about like a candle closing with no bond wick, it depends. Like I gotta see how it closes, because if it closes, it just depends. It kind of just I gotta see like what you're really asking for. Good job. On 30-minute GJ, that just happened. 30-minute GJ here. I mean, no, this is different though. This is like, it has no top wick, right? Like any kind could do this. That just has no top wick. I guess because volume there was too much volume coming in that price didn't want to make a high for price to drive down. They make a top wick, liquidity wick, whatever you want to call it, right? So I mean, yeah, I guess in this sense, yeah, that could be the case. There was just too much volume coming in that price didn't want to make a top wick. But then again, the 1 hour is technically still open here, so like, you know, and not really. I guess 30-minute just opened up with a lot of volume.
London was kind of rangy.
London? Yeah, London was very rangy. Yesterday's London was nice though. Today was very rangy.
I guess no. At 3, there's like a decent move up, but nobody's looking for sells.
A lot of people yesterday when I took the sell, they're like, Don, this is a very dangerous setup. They're like, man, Don, this is a very GJ is oversold right now. Why are you selling?
That's
You just
yeah,
don't
like
reject.
the trend thing, like making sure that you're following the trend is one of the most important things.
It's the first thing to tell you too.
I used to view it as like just tops and bottoms, but
Yeah, it's very important.
it's hard to get that out of your head.
Like once you see it, you can't unsee it type thing.
Yeah.
Like you can't get it. Yeah, you can't get it out of your head anymore. Four of them actually took buys. Like people actually took buys yesterday at like, you know, strong support levels. Like it was just tough scenes. Okay, the 1 hour candle closes in 10 minutes here, 9 minutes here. So let's see. If you close below, I'm gonna look for entries on the 15-minute time frames. All right, guys, that's the plan. That is the plan today. Let's see if I drag this down a little bit. How does this look? That makes more sense actually. Below here, that'll probably make more sense. Below 136.807 will make more sense for me. Oh, it tapped this line perfectly. Indication that this is a strong support here. Yo, so I was watching the Paul stream. I was looking back at his stream yesterday, and like,
Is MYSC one?
yeah.
Yeah, I watched a bit of that too, actually.
And I was like, I don't know. It's just like his training style is like a little different. Like, I don't know.
Yeah. It's like, yeah.
Like he doesn't like when he explained things. Like, I don't know. It's just I can't really watch. I don't know. This is,
Yeah. Yeah.
That's bare subscribers though, 10K. But I don't know. I guess. I mean, some people work for some people like some people. I mean,
Your stream numbers are the same.
yeah. I don't know. It's all personal preference, right? Some people like him, some people don't. Some people like me, some people don't. But I just couldn't. That's the first time
I like you, Don.
Ah, thank you, bro. I like you too, bro.
I like it too, man.
Oh, pause.
Y'all some clowns, yeah.
Yo, what up, Jay?
What's good,
What up, bro? Yeah, Jay, guess what, bro? They brought back cars in the game.
Yeah, I meant to text you back. What's it called? When he texted me that, I ended up hopping in the game, like a 1 or 2 games. 'Cause I didn't have work either yesterday. So.
Bruh. Come on, bruh. Yo, Sam, run Warzone, bro.
Yeah,
Where you
really?
gonna
You
be on
take any
Warzone?
trades?
Yo, have you been playing that?
Yeah, every day.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yo, what happened? Who asked me that question? What's up?
You take any trades?
Yeah, I took about 7 trades. I'm joking. No, I didn't take a trade yet.
Wow.
I'm still waiting here.
Okay.
I missed
Well,
my trade over here, so I'm just kind of waiting for below here. Sells below here to make for me. Like my idea today, like I did explain earlier, was to try catch a sell below here, in below this mini range here, and then have a runner come down to the support down here as we break the support, because this range that we had here was over in a bigger range right here, right? So, and now we're heading back into this range down here. So, yeah, like whatever. I mean,
That was a clean drop too.
that was a clean
traffic.
drop. This is 30-minute time frame. Just just wasn't there for me. You catch it?
No, I was sleeping because I didn't get the notification of you sending the link.
Yeah, I sent it pretty late.
I ended up catching it on the 5-minute like drop.
You caught it?
The 5-minute was clean.
Yeah, at like 137.060.
Mhm.
If you stream in Asian, your subscribers will blow up. Yo, we got like I think one stream this week. We got like 100 subscribers within one stream. Pretty nuts. We got like 50. We got like 60 yesterday or something like that.
You should do that the one Asian stream
Nah, man, that's too much.
on YouTube.
Like, I don't even trade the Asian session as much anymore because I'm just like, I don't know if like I have time to really like sit there for like 3 hours in Asian and just watch it. You know, I might as well just save the energy for
So
New York.
much less moves, bro.
Yeah, and also it's not as volatile as like
Yeah.
it was like a couple months ago anymore.
Yeah.
I'm not sure the reason behind that, but like, I mean, yesterday wasn't bad, was it? Let's see. Yesterday was 18. Nah, yesterday was pretty bad actually. This is in this range. Never broke below. Yeah, yesterday was pretty bad.
Tuesday was good, but overall it's been bad for like.
Tuesday was
weeks.
good, yeah. I mean, Monday was good. Right? Today's Wednesday. Monday was good. The reason Paul isn't really doing Asian right now is that Asian sessions volume has dried up. Yeah, Asian has been dried up for a couple weeks now. So it makes sense. He trade for clout.
I mean, you have to think that it'll come back eventually.
Yeah, it's gonna come back. Maybe
it'll
like
probably go through phases of.
yeah, like for example, like this week, like last week actually, London was taking over in NY, but like, you know, it's obviously gonna change over time. Depends. Asian audience, does Asian have still have a big audience?
Well, you would think, because
You-
like
you-
that's when.
You think if I
Like,
do
everybody saw
Asian, but I'm like, you know, I don't even trade it much. Just gonna be watching a range for like 2.5 hours at 8 p.m. when Asian
Yeah.
opens up. Like I know how to trade it pretty well. Like, I understand like when volume kicks in and all that, but just it's just gonna be so dry for like if I had to stream from like 6 to like 9 and then wait for like 2 hours for a move. NY move could happen anytime. That's the thing. NY move could happen pre-NY, NY open at 8, NYC at 9. Like you have so many times where volume kicks in, but the Asian is just like dead. That's how pause subscribers, I believe. Almost 10K from Asian. I think subscribers come from the other guys shouting them out, cause they're all like one big family, right? Caught the GU drop. GU, nice. Let's see here. Yeah, are you in trade? No, I'm not in trade yet. Gold 1 hour break and retest, FYI. I'll wait for sells below here. That'll be clean. Cause these candles are still printing bullish, right? I think you're gonna need a bearish candle for price to drop down here. Cause pricing is easy, come back up in the range here. 1929-ish, 1930-ish. So I'll say sells would be probably below here. this range that we're in right now. Look left, it just makes sense, right? Yeah, probably below here, you have this move coming down to like 1911, 1921, 1911. You can catch this little range here, little move here, like a 90 pip move. I'll wait for that. Looking for sells on gold. Honestly, curious for Roger coming from boot camp online today. Oh, nice. I mean, hey, we're still averaging like what, 200 viewers, so it's fine. I'm not really here trading it for, you know, the viewers anyways. Actually, I like you both, especially because you're more humble than other. Peace and love. Peace and love. Yeah. Buys today, yo? No buys today, yo. Sells today, yo. Did you take a trade for the drop? No, I didn't take a trade for the drop, bro. I did not. I'm still waiting here. Sells below here. We had sells below here. I mentioned sells below here as well. I'm gonna label that as well. Actually, no, there's no point. But yeah. Did mention sells below here. Just gonna wait for sells below here now. Did miss that move. It's fine. We close in like 11 seconds. So the only issue we have here is that the 1 hour is not gonna close below the range. I want to see if like we get a 30-minute closure below the range, maybe like 8:30, something like that, 8:15ish, you know. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys think about it, man, we're only streaming for like 5 30-minute candles. That's not long, right? If you think about it, we've been through like what, 3 candles already. We have 2 more candles left. So the stream ends like around 9:30ish. Like 5 6 around there. 5 6 candles. Like that's not long at all. It's crazy how like within those 5 6 candles though, 30-minute candles.
Yeah, but a lot can happen.
Yeah, like a lot can happen in those candles. So because we have the most volatile time of the day, right? Which is that right now. So if you go compare it to like Asian sessions, 5 6 candles. If you go average the range from that compared to the NY session, obviously the NY session you have a bigger range, like, you know, like the 5 6 candles during Asian, it would be like this: 1 2 3 4 5. Like this is like a 10 pip range compared to right now. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5. It's like a 50 pip range here we have here. So like you can obviously tell the difference between the range, the sessions, right? Compared to London as well. London was like pretty much right here. London was, I'll say, 50 pip range. Like you can just obviously tell London and New York is the most volatile sessions of the day. Then you stay until 10. Yeah, so I was 10 minutes late today, so I should stay until 10. Yeah, staying for another hour because I was 10 minutes late. Yeah, makes sense. Epic Samurai. I mean, I would love to, bro. I'll just be a bit drained, bro, just by watching these charts. And for some reason, man, whenever I end the stream off at 9 and I come back on charts at 10, I see charts trades at 10. I don't know why, but it seems like it's like 1 or 2 p.m. But yeah, it would seem like it's like, you know, it seems so late. Turn light off, so whatever. Okay, 1 hour close here. 1 hour close bearish. We know this, right? The only issue we have here, guys, is you have this right here. You have this level of support here. I was waiting for this candle to close below. That's my ideal trade, but let's see. If the 15 or 30 minute closes below this range here, I'm looking for more sells. Let's see. 30 minute has the same support level as well, obviously. So maybe if we get closer like this, below the range here on a 30 minute time frame, I'm gonna look for 6 sells coming down like this. This would be my ideal trade. closure below, and then take a sell right here on this candle. Stops above this previous candle high. TP down here at 136.463 because that is my target. Alright, so just be patient and wait. That's all that is today. As soon as the streams, yeah, it'd be like that. Like for past couple of days now, we've been getting pretty late moves. Like I remember, like back in like March, we get moves at like 6:30 off the rip, like off the rip 6:30. Like big moves, like talking about like moves that you get at 9 right now. Like it just depends. Like the market just shifts a little bit sometimes, but I'll say this average time from 6:30 to 8 for 9 is probably still the best time. You really can make a living on 10 pips a day? Yeah, you can. And that's word to Raja. Nah, you can. You depends on lot size. Nah, you can make it off smaller lot sizes, bro. Trust me. It just you'll get to that point where if you consistently cash 10 pips per day on small lot size, you get used to cashing the trade, and then as you start to increase lot sizes, obviously your moves gonna it's gonna add up. So yeah, just like really depends.
What do you think about if it bounces off the support here and holds support?
This resistance, you mean?
Sorry, yeah, resistance.
Resistance. I'll say maybe if you get like some type of closure, bearish candle closure here, maybe like let's say it's can't be this candle. Obviously, it's gonna have to be the next 30-minute candle. So maybe something like this.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
And then probably come down and retest the lows again and continue down like this. This would be another idea probably get. Alright, but let's see what happens here. Because pricing easy to drive up here. A lot of people would consider this a retest for price to drive down. A lot of people could, but like the only thing about this is that I tell people all the time, be careful because these candles are still bullish. Price is easy, just drive straight through here and come back up in the range. I'll wait for a closure here. Yes, probably noticed that I never enter off of like these type of entries here. I never attempt a wick entry because it's just very risky. This candle can easily just drive up. Right, but a lot of people like these entries right here because they want like that nice entry here for price to drive down. But it's just very risky. I'd rather wait for a candle closure. You're getting beaten by GJ right now. Yeah, they are. But yeah, see how like if you understood this range here, you wouldn't have gotten beaten by GJ today because you understand that we're still in the range here. This price never closed below support. Right? So it's very important where candles close. Obviously, this candle here didn't break the highs of the previous candle high yet, so it still has a higher chance to continue to go down here. But still a bullish candle right now. I'll wait for this candle to flip or something. Close bearish at resistance on a smaller time frame. If you understand the range you're for a break, yes, exactly. That's all that is. Understanding ranges, that's like the most important key for price action. Just understanding ranges. A lot of people can understand it naturally. A lot of people it takes time for them to understand it. But once you understand it, you're good. See, like right here for gold, for example, like a lot of people expected this to be like a retest for gold to drive down because they saw the price bounce off this resistance here. But these candles are closing bullish here, so obviously it has a higher chance of this continuing up here. Right? So it's very important to wait for closures in your favor. I promise you, you have a way higher probability of winning a trade if you wait for candles to close in your favor. Promise you. It's the most logical thing you think of, right? Oh, 3 trades today, clean. But what up, guys? I appreciate everyone that showed up today to the streams. All love, all love. Peace and love. Appreciate all the likes, all the subs we've been getting. We're almost at 2K subs. It's pretty crazy. We're at 1K subs like 2 weeks ago, I think. 2.5 weeks ago. 50. How long have you been in here for? 3 weeks? I think 3 weeks. Yeah, 1K subs 3 weeks ago. Man, already at 2K subs here, so get it. Soon to be 10K. I think after 2K subs, we're gonna be aiming for 10K. Yeah, then eventually, goes on. But hey, if it's 15-minute break the lows, I'm ready to swim and read waters on GJ. Yes, read waters. It's a new one. Never heard of that before. Morning. What about your JPY? You can send me a chart in your JPY to take a look at it. The reason why I say that is because like I don't really my focus right now is just GJ, and if I look at too many pairs, my mind be all over the place, right? So I just want to focus on one pair. It's like these pairs right here, US30. I mean gold, US30 and GJ. I look at those, but yeah. Ooh, that's cool. We have some type of support here. On US30. I think we have some type of support here on US30. Let's see here. On the range here. Gold is continuing to shoot up, coming up to fill the range here. Yep. And yeah, gold GJ hasn't been doing much for the past 2 counts here, but we're still waiting. I'm thinking maybe sell stops below this 15-minute candle once this candle closes bullish. But then the only issue you have is we're still gonna be above the support here, so like it's kind of. Let me just wait it out here. Not be the best sense. Yeah, I'm waiting here for 4 weeks and my account has grown. Oh, bro. My back hurts. Right, I think I need to go to a chiropractor. I think a chiropractor is needed. Should I close my sell, close or wait? So I had this question yesterday as well. Like, whenever you enter a trade, you really gotta understand why you're in a trade, right? Like, why you in a trade and what made you enter a trade, and just stick to that bias, right? Like, just because I don't see any sell, like, I wouldn't enter sells here doesn't mean that you can't see sells as well. Like, you can take sells if you want, like, if you see sells, right? But just understand, like, understand the trade that you're in. Like, understand your stops, understand your target level, understand where you're gonna close half, understand where you're gonna move stops and entries out. Like, understand, like, have those in the back of your mind at all times. But if you're just entering a trade and you're asking, should I close or wait? It's like asking, it's like saying you just took a guess trade and you're just asking me if she, close or wait. Like, it's just, I feel like you should just stick to your analysis if you have one. Right? Like, you'll never see me take a trader and ask, should I close or should I wait, right? You see me have a full breakdown of the trade, and you see, like, I have my stops where it is, I have my TPs where it is, I have my break-even levels, I have all of that implemented inside my head before I even enter a trade. But that's just me though. That's what I do before I enter trades. I myself from yesterday. Where do you think I should close full? I mean, where's your TP level? I mean, my TP level was where it is yesterday. Like, but my target, I think it was yesterday. My target was I think it was down here at like 138. I think 138, 175 ish, or like I forgot where my target was yesterday. Like my weekly target is down here at 135,770 if you just continue down here, but like my day target is only like 136,463, so like it depends. Like, at least I think you should trade your stops. If you had entries since yesterday, I'll say maybe move your stops to this kind of high, daily kind of high, the 137,718. Above there, if you do break that high, we're gonna probably come up back in the range here. Look left, we're coming back inside this range here. You have all this area come in, so I'll say move your stops there. I'm not sure where your entry was though, so But yeah, that's what I'll do. Um, do you think Forex is to be a thing in the future? Is the idea to go all in on it now, or even when you're profitable? Forex will forever be a thing. It's currency. I mean,
Until they make one world currency,
yeah.
which probably won't be another
Until another living
century or so.
Yeah, like until we probably, you know.
The world's like really truly fucked, but okay, you never know.
Yeah, like it's gonna be like your whole yeah, whole another century, bro. I won't be even be no. You guys know what I mean here. Yeah, but like going all in, I mean, like, what do you mean by all in? You know, like just continue to do what you do every day. Just continue to do what you do every day. Well, whatever I do every day, I'm gonna continue to do that every day.
Don't risk your whole bank account.
Yeah, like don't risk your whole entire shit though. Like, what if everyone starts using BTC? If everyone starts using BTC, I'm pretty sure. Well, the question is, how are you gonna buy the BTC? You gotta use cash. So you still gotta use currency to buy the BTC. So even if BTC takes over, people still need cash somewhere. Like cash will still be around, man. But yeah, like if you just one currency, man, like then I don't even know, man. Where's I'm going shit? Just sell the world dollar? That's what it's called by then?
Yeah, sell the world dollar against like gold or something, and like
buy gold?
Against,
like you know.
Bro, sell the Earth dollar against the Mars dollar type shit.
Hey Don, how do you manage getting stopped out if, say, price closed below the range but the next bar wicks up before shooting down? Oh, those scenarios depends. Like let's say like it depends. Like obviously if I had an entries right here, if I say earlier I had an entry right here, right? Let's say I had a stall stop below here, this candle here, and my entry is right here. Your entry is kind of it's kind of off. It's a valid entry, but it's just that like the only thing y'all worry about in this sense is price hitting your entries again, because you're entering off of the middle of a candle. But it's just the best scenario you could have had at this point, right? Let's say your stops was right here, stops is right there, and your entry is right there, your TP is down here, and this candle came back up to retest this resistance here, because you entered stops as support, right? This is your support. You entered stops as support, so high chance this candle's gonna come up here entries. In that sense, you can't really do much about it. That's why I always close half. But like in a scenario where you have something like this is much different. Like a scenario like we had yesterday, where we had like, let's say for example, you had price driving down like this, right? And then your entry was this candle high, right there. Let me change color. Your entry was this candle high because this candle closed bearish at resistance, and you took a sell on this candle. Your entry would be much better in this sense because you now have a high at the entry candle. So meaning if this candle breaks this high, then that's when the trade will be invalid. But as long as this next candle right here respects this high, you should easily be able to drive down. You know what I mean? So it depends on the scenario, again, on the candle situation. But in this situation right here, if you had a stop right there in the middle of the candle, yeah, you have a high chance of hitting your entries, obviously. That's why you always secure profits, right? Wish I coulda have a plan away. Yes. But yeah. Ooh, looks like this could be a fake out. Because you do have a range here, and you have price driving back up in the range, right? I think the 15-minute didn't close in the range though, but if this is a fake out, price should be able to push up here. If people are looking at buys above here, right? Like I want to see how it looks at the time. Let's see. I'm not really looking for buys. Like that's the thing. I'll take only sells today. I'm also fine not taking a trade today. If sells won't set up. I think sells below here is still bad now though, because we're coming back into range here. So if you do end up ranging in a bit here, let's say you range a little bit, like so, and then all of a sudden price decides to drive down here, coming back down the range, you could potentially take sells like this, right? And then you can take sells expecting price to drive down like this, and that'll be my sells. I'll probably take from this. Well, probably in this area, probably from this resistance to this support. These are the sells I'm looking for. Because now that we have created this is a good thing. Because now you can have more sells coming down here later on. Might not be today, but let's see. See what happens today. TP 138,400. I mean, yeah. 400. I'll say for this to happen, 138,400. I think you're gonna need this resistance to break right here, and then you're gonna need this resistance to break as well. And then you also have another range over here. You need that to break, and then you're gonna need this resistance to break here, and then you can come up to like 137,800. You have all this to break here, right? So look at it. I have all those resistance levels, and the higher time frame is bearish, right? So I mean, it could happen. I'm not saying it can't, right? But I mean, trust your analysis, right? Why are you laughing?
Buys today? Forex spider, bro.
I mean, you can get a short-term buy here.
Yeah, you could have caught a buy.
But I don't know. 138,400. That didn't. 138,400. That'll be breaking. That'll be coming back in the range here. And well, if you do come back to 138,400, if you look left here, resistance, support here. If you do come back in this range here, like this, shit. Yeah, you could just expect price to go back to this uptrend, to follow this continue uptrend. Because look, 138,400 is up here, and what happens when the price comes up to there? The day candle look like this, meaning that it's gonna continue up for the rest of the week to go up. Right? So it's like, I don't know, man. I mean, hey, trust your analysis. You asked me about that like 5 times already. You can look at US oil. I'll look at it. Just send me a chart. Give me a breakdown of what you see, because I can give you my perspective on it and show what I see. Right? You send a chart? I can't see it. What the hell? Send it again? Did I miss it? I think I missed it, right? Oh no, I didn't. Here we go. Is this it? I think you sent the wrong link. You can't send a full link. So here's how you send a chart. You click on this camera thing, and you click copy code, right? You're gonna copy the code down, but you're only gonna enter this right here, like the ending from open dash close dash. Attention all traders. What happened? What did you do? What's happened over there? People were asking how do people control FX? popping. Yeah, send me another chart. For some reason I can't see it. Man, people ask me how you feel when this and above this and that, man. Hey, all I'm saying, bro, is yesterday, if you made profit within these days that, you know, these other guys weren't streaming, hey, already saying anything, right? You gotta have your own, like, what do you think? You know, you gotta have your own, like, opinion on things. You can't just keep asking people for opinions. Get some type of verification because you don't feel comfortable with something, right? Like, when you're comfortable with something, you're gonna, like, yeah, like, if you're asking, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? Like, they just don't have their own opinions, I guess. They're just waiting for someone else's validation so that they can have confirmation that they're doing the right thing because they don't know what they're even doing themselves, right? Think about it. Like, why? Like, if you like someone, genuinely like someone, you would tune into their shit, and you would just like the shit because you like it, not because someone else doesn't like it, and you're not gonna like it because that other guy doesn't like it. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, it's whatever. Like, but such a waste of time talking about. But hey, bro, Microsoft really messing up the next gen console, Xbox. Oh yes, yo, you seen that new Xbox? The little small Xbox thing. Xbox X, Xbox S. Yeah, I seen that. The fakers who left after profit yesterday. Yeah, same people. Literally the same people. Like I say it all the time. If you're coming for pips, like if you're coming just for the pips, man, like I don't even want you here, man. Well, I mean, I want you here, but like that shouldn't be the reason why you're here. You should be here for the knowledge and value you drop here, right? Because if you're coming for pips, man, you might as well sign up for a signal service. You might as well. Learn a lot from you, buddy. Keep it up. Hey, appreciate it. So we'll see. There's no better time than now to buy Bitcoin. The reason we're on the verge of bull run and the approach that we worked on for me is not only buying Bitcoin. I think I talked about Bitcoin over the weekend because a lot of people during the weekend, bro, my chat is flooded with Bitcoin. Like, people love to trade and they don't know how to take a break. They trade Monday to Friday and then they see Bitcoin went on Saturday and Sunday, they trade it no matter what time. Like, you know, it's just, I don't know. Yeah,
that's a fact.
Like
Friday the market closes, right to Bitcoin.
Yeah, like at 5 p.m. on Friday. This is what I get in a VIP chat. They're like, so who's looking at Bitcoin? I'm like, bruh. Yo, he's like, bruh, I'm trying to take time off. And you guys are just like oh man. I used to be like that too, don't get me wrong. I used to be like that too. Don't get me wrong, bro. But
you have to trade for financial freedom, not to be just looking at the chart left and right, day in and day out. Just keep looking at the chart. Like, just you gotta have a set schedule and be disciplined and stick to that. If you're gonna look at one pair, just look at that one pair, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then I think I played out, but you know what I noticed? Like
Yeah.
that on the 4 hour, because 4 hour has like 30 minutes left. It never broke that previous 4 hour low.
Oh shit, it didn't.
But it was still like choppy though, because it broke the previous 4 hour high, but like
Yeah.
it still came down, so it was just choppy. That's why I don't know.
I think if like this 4 hour candle, we have like what 30 minutes left. If this 4 hour candle right here closes above 137, 389, we have a very high chance of continuing up here. You have this clear traffic candle here, and we're also coming back inside the range here, right? So high chance with you. I don't understand 4 hour candle. What don't you understand about the 4 hour candle? I'll explain it for you. You know, like, you can ask me anything about the 4 hour candle. I'll answer it for you, bro. Anything you want. Like, bro, it's 2 p.m. on a Saturday. Go chill. If for real. 2 p.m. on a trying to trade Bitcoin.
Now I'm trying to look at Bitcoin.
Oh man, just addicted. Like they're just like I used to play that too, but man, it's just like it's tough scenes. Tough scenes. Well, the FOREX closed above previous FOREX candle, still below 132.390. 132.390 is right here.
Below the resistance line.
I mean, if the 4-hour candle closed above the previous 4-hour candle, it can't close below 132.390 because the 4-hour candle, previous one is 137. Wait, what? 132? Wait, what? Hold on. You're talking about 137? I think you're talking about 137. He must be talking about 137. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so yeah, if you do close above the previous 4-hour candle, that's gonna be 137.430. Meaning that it can't close below. It's gonna close above regardless. So I'm not sure what not sure what you're asking here.
I feel like if the 4 like does not close like above like the 137.450 like 137.460 area, we might like I don't know, or it might range a little bit or I don't know.
Yeah, I think
feel like we're kind of in a range because they came right back inside the range, right? But like the higher time frame, like you said, is still bearish.
Yeah.
That's why I'm like the bias is kind of.
Like I probably want to close like at like 137.430 ish, like around there. Cause if you look left, guys, if you look left on this, bro, this candle here closed above, and what happened later? Came up to fill his range here. So, like we've had multiple rejections here. We never closed bullish above here yet. So if we do come up, break up here above here, we do close above here, high chance we can just continue to push up here. Because then what's gonna happen is we're gonna close bullish above, right? And then this next time will probably continue up like this. Fill the range. Look left, this is clear traffic, right? Price to drive up. And also, guys, these drops that we had a couple of days here, bro. These drops, if you guys missed it yourselves, don't stress about it because, man, these clean traffic candles here in the future, like whenever price decides to push back up again, whenever we actually form structure, I'm not saying now because a lot of people might get confused with what I'm talking about now, but in the future, let's say we do create some type of range here and we continue to make structure to go up. These clean traffic candles on its cells here are now to be looking at as clean traffic candle for buys. Like let's say sometimes you look for buys again, you can use these as clean reference, clean traffic candles here. Like let's say next week we close bullish on daily candle closes bullish Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We use these clean traffic. We're gonna go up. So that's why I was telling you guys, you never technically miss a move because you can kind of catch a move later on. You just gotta be patient with it. But yeah, okay, this 15-minute candle closed below this range here, this resistance here. So there's no buys just yet, I believe. I'm still waiting for sells below here and then sells below here as well. So let's see what happens here. 30-minute close bullish though. Below this resistance though. This is a very heavy resistance as well. So there's no buys just yet, right? Downvolt breaks down here so good. Hey bro. Keep it simple, right? Organic. What if the 4 o'clock? I read that right. There's actually no lies here. It's all free too, ladies and dudes. Here, I guess I like your voice, Downvolt. Dude, man. I like my voice. Would you be a fakeout? Can you send me a chart? I'll take a look at it, bro. Just send me a chart though. You know what, bro? Whatever. I'll just look at it. You know, I just look at it. GBP USD. I got you, bro. You can gotta send me a chart today. Let's see. Oh no, guys. So you guys probably knew that. I think it was last Thursday. I broke down GU, and I did mention how this is your support and this is your next level of support. Look left, this is clean traffic coming back in the range, followed by this clean traffic candle. I did say once we break below the support on a weekly, we're coming down to like 127.947, which is like, this is like a 500 pip range. Remember, you guys remember that? I think it was like Thursday, Friday, something like this. Or no, 300 pip range, right? So yeah, GU, it looks like it's gonna come down to that support at 1.27947. I think the FACO you're talking about, I'm not sure. Oh, this time frame, maybe 30-minute time frame, I'm guessing. Let's see here. You're looking at this, right? So you now have this support that was made earlier, this resistance. Yeah, this could be a fake up because you had a range here and you had price driving back up in the range. But the only issue you have here is overall we're just bearish. Like 4 hour we're bearish, daily we're bearish. So I wouldn't really look for any buys on GU just yet. Maybe like above here would be nice buys. This would be my ideal buys above here, coming up to like here. Just that overall we're just kind of like bearish here. So I'm not sure if taking buys would be the best idea. But this is, yeah, this is a fake out though. I must say that. But the question is, what's the high time frame showing you, right? Alright. Cool. Yep. Alright. Looks like gold continued up here. So remember I said earlier about someone asked for like this could be a retest for gold to go down, and I mentioned how accounts are closing bullish. There's no buys. I mean, there's no sells, right? That's the thing, right? You can't really predict, like, that's why I don't really answer retest anymore, because retest could just be a candle just pushing up and you don't know if it's gonna reverse or not because it's still bullish, right? In this sense, these candles are closing bullish here. So that therefore gold was continuing up here to fill the range here. So there's that on gold. Because someone asked me earlier about gold. And yeah. Ooh, US30. Closing bullish. Yeah, see how GG closes here. We have like 30 minutes left. Bro, guys, yo, if you guys know how to fix Adobe Premiere, let me know. My Adobe Premiere is messed up. I don't know why, but it's messed up. My playback is... I'm having issues. Like, I edited that whole video yesterday with the lag. It was so bad. Can you look at USD CAD? Yeah, I got you. USD CAD. Let's go this. Where is this from? I still have this valid. Yeah, this part is still valid. It looks valid. Yeah, I think. Well, support. We have formed a range here, right? Because this is now your support levels. Rejection there, rejection there. This can't close below the range here. Looks like we could be clearing down to like these levels down here at the support. I'll say this right here. You have a clean traffic move coming down on USD CAD. Higher time frame is still bullish, but if we're coming back in this range here, we should be able to fill it. Let's see. 4 hour is bearish. Yes, makes sense. 1 hour is looks like it's coming down here. Yeah, 1 hour looks very clean here. I'll say you have a very clean traffic candle right here to come down as we close below the support here. I think USD CAD can come down to like these levels down here at 1.31961. Yeah, that's pretty clean. You have all this room to go down here. Expect a mirror on the other side as well. Alright. I'll say look for entries now though. I'll say wait for this candle to close, this 15-minute candle to close, and maybe have sell stops below this candle here once it closes bullish. If it closes bullish, have sell stops below. That'll be valid. Or if it closes bearish, I'm not sure if it's still in it though. If you got in like right here, this the valid entries for me would have been the opening of this candle here, stops above there, and then targets like right here. That'll be my USD CAD move. But if this candle closes bullish though, I'll have sell stops below there. I'm not sure if you enter or not yet, but yeah, that's my view on it. This is like a nice like 20 pip range, which is pretty decent. Not bad for USD CAD. You guys see how quick that was? That quick little organic analysis there. Quick, it took like 1 minute to look at, right? So you can do the same too. So your job is to do the same and send me your chart on it. And then I'll look at it. I'll give you my view on it, right? You see going to 1940. Yeah, I do actually. We're breaking above this resistance here. Breaking above this range here that we have formed. I see it going there, yeah. Looks like we're gonna head up to like towards 1940 levels. Yeah, this is very valid. Yep. Daily is bullish. Obviously, daily is bullish. Yeah, 1940 is very valid. Yeah, because you're still in the range, right? So we've been range for the past couple of days now. This does make sense for price to drive up here though. 4 hour looks clean. 1 hour looks very clean. 30-minute looks clean. Yeah, this is very clean for gold to go up today to 1940. Expect nice rocket ship pretty much right now. As we're breaking above these wicks here, you should see gold flying right here. Yeah, this is very valid. Or some pip stops just garbage. Yeah, the stops are pretty big though. That's the issue here. Yeah, that's the issue you have. Check 80. Yeah, see, so here's the thing. Now that everyone's asking me, look at this, look at that, like, I look at them and then people keep asking me, look at this, look at that. Like, I want you guys to send me a chart here. Like, I'm giving you guys these breakdowns so you guys can see kind of what I do here, and you guys can do the same. So you guys can send me a chart, and then I'll look at it after. I'll give you guys my input on it. We were asking, look at this, look at that. Like, no one's really getting anything from that. Right? The reason why I'm actually looking at other pairs right now, well, I'm looking at pairs you guys asked me to look at, is because GJ isn't doing much here. So I don't really got a lot heavy lock into it yet. I'll start locking into GJ once it starts to show bearish momentum coming down to like these levels here. I'll start locking in. Should I buy gold? Well, here's a question. We know it's bullish, right? But the question is now, if you buy, how are you gonna enter? What's your stops gonna be? Where are your advantage points? You know, like look left. There's a minor resistance here, minor. But you gotta deal with that, right? But like where you're gonna enter and where your stops gonna be? How big are your stops? Are you comfortable with your stop loss? Is like how much risk are you putting into the trade? You know, gotta ask those questions. Like me right now, I would not buy. I know this is my target 1940, but in this right now in this scenario, I wouldn't buy it because there's no like confirmation for me to enter. Like stops would be too big, is what I'm saying. And like this is like, if you enter here, your stops would be like 40, 50 pips, man. That's huge. So I wouldn't buy right now. maybe if he closed bullish above like these levels here, like 1933-ish, you can have like maybe like a 30 pip stops maybe. Let's see how this 15-minute closes though. If he closed above this line though, we could have very nice buys. Because then you have a nice wick fill, and then you know you have a bigger range to go up. But buying right now is very like dangerous because pricing is just continue back down. I'll wait for this candle to close. Did I erase a resistance? Oh, I did. There we go. Was that where my resistance was drawn earlier? Used. I have like OCD, guys. I have to make like everything perfect when I mark up charts. My resistance was drawn. Yeah, it was right there. How's everyone? Oh, Iron Man Train, what's up, bro? How you been? What's going on, bro? Go back in range. I think that it's breaking out of the range. I think the range is down here. I think it's breaking above. It's gonna continue up here.
Yeah, I was about to say.
1940.
So fake out.
I think this is your range here. This is just a breakout here. I mean, it's breaking back into a new range, yeah. Once you tap this resistance, we're gonna make some type of range, yeah. Because then we're gonna tap this resistance here, like so, and then you could expect kind of like, you know, price to like maybe close bearish here resistance, then come back down, make some type of resistance, come back down, make support, and then you know, then you have a nice range here, right? But like this is your next logical area where price could create a range at, because this is your resistance, right? So then you can have this, and after this, all you gotta do is wait for a breakout above or a breakout below for nice buys and sells. And that's if you miss this move. Look how many, see the opportunity you have right there? See the opportunity you have right there? What if you miss this mover? Just wait for a range after to be created to buy or sell later on. Right? If he has missed this trade here on gold, but yeah. It looks like it's gonna continue up though. Okay, we have like 15 minutes left in this candle closure. Very important candle closure here on GJ. Possibly go back down for another trap, but dude. Yeah. Hey Arman, would you recommend trading on gold on the 1 minute chart? No. Gold's going back above 2K. Yeah, gold will eventually go up. Looks like I think for gold to go up here, we're probably gonna need this resistance here to break here. This resistance that we formed here in the weekly time frame. This resistance, once this resistance breaks here, once you actually get closures above there, we can possibly come back up to retest the highs here at 2060 and then make new highs. 'Cause obviously gold is one big uptrend, right? If you guys look at gold here, I'll make it very simple for you guys. We have like this huge uptrend here on gold. You then have a range here on gold, right? So if price came up, made a high, price came down, made a support, made a resistance. So this is now called your range. If this is your bottom of the range, price should be able to push up, right? But for that to happen, we're gonna need closures showing us bullish momentum to drive up. And once we actually drive up, let's say we do drive up like this, we could potentially retest the highs. And what I always say, every time price retests the high for a second time, high chance we're gonna break it to continue up. So you can kind of expect gold to continue up once this happens here, and we'll continue making new highs, right? But Yeah, gold is obviously still bullish. Overall, still bullish. Look at the trend. You're in gold bets from 1917 and 1927. Oh shit, nice, bro. Some good profits you got there. 150 pips. Is that 150 pips? 19, 17. Yeah, about 150 pips. Not bad. Clean. Above 137 for it to be good longs. Yeah, I'm looking at that. Above that resistance. I'm not sure if I'm taking any buys today. Let me see. Let me see how this count. I want to see how this forward count closes here. Yeah, I need a forward count close above here, and we should be good to go up till like 137, 718. That should be your ideal trade. Oh, that was quick.
Bruh.
That was quick. That was quick.
Oh, bro, that was like 30.
Wow,
30
that was
Holy
quick.
shit, man.
Oh,
What happened?
I probably some news happened or something.
There's no. Oh my god.
Wow.
What the fuck?
I literally
Is
just
this
said.
Is this how GJ is feeling, bro?
I literally just said we'll tap this target once we break up. That's quick. Yeah. Damn. Whoever caught that, congrats. Congrats.
Wow, is this?
Wow. That was like quick. That was the quickest, like, I think that was the quickest thing I ever saw in my life. 30 pips in like literally 5 seconds.
Yeah, it was literally the quickest 30 pips I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah. I think no one caught that. Oh shit, the 1 hour broke the highs. Ooh, I didn't see that. 1 hour broke the highs. I mean, hey, some people probably caught it. I don't know. I didn't catch it though. Damn, that's clean. Wow. Oh, you had a buy stop. Nice. Yeah.
I was hoping the 15-minute candle goes bearish so you could have a buy stop.
You had a chance to buy GJ at a low price. Why would you not buy it? Because GJ is bearish. It was bearish.
You had a
I
chance to
was
buy
waiting.
GJ at a low price. That's
Like,
Come on, bro.
you're never gonna know what the low is. Like, the low is down there, down here. You expect me to buy it down there? Like GJ was bearish, and I was looking for buys. I was recommending buys above 137,400, and once you broke that 137,400 barrier, we just continue to shoot up, right? But I was looking for sells below this range here, because we're in this range here, and then pretty much what happened was we broke out of this box here to continue up, right? Buys would be above here, sells would be below there. But I mean, buying and selling at low prices, like, you're never gonna know what a low is. Like, your low could be shit compared to, like, let's say low price down here. Let's say your low is down here. You bought GG on September 20th at 3 p.m. at 136,700, and some other guy bought it all the way down here in March 23rd this year at 124. Like, so what's your low compared to his low? Like, you know, there's always gonna be a low being made, man. But yeah. Why buy if the market is going up? Do you buy at the house at the top of the market? Oh Lord Jesus, here we go again. Oh man.
Bro.
This is a thing I've been on the streams for a minute, and we've been streaming since like what, March? And I still got this little question like, why don't you just buy low and sell high? We literally buy low and sell high, just within following the trend within the ranges, and we've been consistent doing it since. So
Why buy as the market is going up? Like why wouldn't you buy as the market's going up? You're following the trend.
And those are the type of people, those are the type of people that call tops and bottoms, right? It's just,
Like what? Like was it a good idea to buy gold at 1700 when it was going up? Yes, it was.
like, why do you, like, you know, where is it? Why did you buy gold at 1917 when gold was going up from 1200?
It's following the trend.
Like, you know, it's like, it's just like, yo. Now if you have a 10 pip stop, because it was retracement. Yeah, but why didn't you buy at 1200 then? If why didn't you buy a low at 1200, or why didn't you buy it when it was at $1? Hey, I'm just asking what you're asking here. You bought at 14.95. Well, why didn't you buy at $1 though, or 1200? But yeah, like, you know, the whole thing, like, oh, this is like where
The
like,
I feel like the whole objective is to buy when price is trending in the direction. Like when price is trending up, you want to buy, and when price is trending down,
yeah,
you
because
want to
I'm
sell.
like, it's not like I'm trying to
What's
catch
it called?
That's
the
the
whole
whole
top
point
and
of
bottom.
trading.
I mean, I don't think you know what it is, yo. Really, like.
It's just no,
Well,
it's
like,
this
I asked the
huge
same
superhero
question,
ego that
because-
people have. Yeah, go on.
No, I was just basically saying, like, we've seen trade like this happen before, so it's like,
Yeah, like,
why? What's it going on? Like, just why why would you want to be in a?
why would
first
you
in
want to
the
be a
market?
superhero?
Yeah,
Like,
like
I've
always
been-
trying to catch like at the low, like, cause
Yeah,
you don't really know what the low's gonna
exactly.
be. So,
Yeah,
because people tend to do on like Instagram, they'll try and catch a low, and then if they don't get that low, they'll get a second entry, and then you screenshot that entry. Like,
yeah, like,
nah, like, come on,
think
bro,
about the probability of you waiting for candles to close bullish, waiting for structure to form bullish, and following the trend compared to when you try and catch tops and lows. How many attempts is that gonna take you? Think about, like, what's the probability of you? Like, this is why I used to trade like that too, Iron Man, though, trading. I used to trade like that. I used to call tops and bottoms all the time. I used to try to catch all the time tops and all the time lows, and I must say it wasn't as consistent as what I'm doing right now. That's just me though. This is from personal preference. What I've been through.
Yeah, because you're gonna let's think of it. Let's say you think that price is at that low, and then it goes down further. So you think again that price is at that next low, and then you just
Yeah.
and then now
Yeah,
you're gonna
there's
take
no-
a screenshot. Like now you want to take like a screenshot. Yeah.
What the hell do I never knew for 17 years to live live for a living? I know nothing. Hey, if you're new for something live for a living, then there's something. Here's the thing though. Like, you gotta understand though. Everyone has their own like perspective and their own like strategy, their own trading style. So if your trading style is catching tops and bombs, by all means, that's your trading style. But if my strategy is catching 10 pips following the trend every day, once or twice per day, I'm gonna stick to whatever works for me. And you probably noticed that it's been very consistent for me for the past couple of months here on the streams, right? And we've been doing it live every morning. So I'm not gonna change the way I trade because I want to catch a bigger move, or I feel like I need to catch this to make this, or like I'm trying, you know. I'm not. I'm just simply sticking to what works for me.
And also think of it
Buy-
this way, right?
yeah.
Like, you see how like price form like it just did recently, right? Like,
Yeah.
Don has entered a trade like that before. So if like from like the past trade that he has entered, what if he entered like the same exact like you see how like price kept selling and all of a sudden it bought. What if like from like the past previous trades, Don instead of it kept selling, he just entered like the same position, and price would just stop him out, right? Just follow the trend.
The answer to the question
It
is
is
you
a
wanna
simple
wait.
question though. Do you not want to buy assets cheap? I'm asking why. Yeah, if you want to buy assets cheap though, why didn't you buy gold at $1? Answer that question. Why didn't you buy gold at $1 instead of 1,400? And why didn't you buy gold at $1,000 instead of 1,400? Or anywhere before that? You bought gold at 1,400. Why didn't you buy at 1,200? If you want to buy so low, then why didn't you buy? Like, you've been trading for 17 years, right? What was gold at 17 years ago? 17 years ago, gold was at, let's see here. Okay, we can't go back. So actually, we could. 17 years ago, no, we can't. Okay, why didn't you buy gold? Yeah, at 547. You know, like if you really want to buy assets so low, why don't you buy as a dollar or 500? Think about it though. I'm answering your question.
No, but like, I feel like the answer to what he was originally asking is like you just want to wait for confirmation instead of just buying at a low. Like you need to wait to like have an understanding that price is gonna like there's a high probability that price is gonna trend in your direction, and then you buy.
Yeah.
You can't just buy because it's at a support. Like when price is bearish.
Like, don't get me wrong, I bought gold at 1200 back like 2 years ago when I started trading, right? I bought gold at 1200 for it, but like my intention was never to hold to 1900, right? I was just trying to catch one area to another certain area, but like, I don't know, bro.
Quick so I just say that you are a copycat right now.
Oh, you did?
Let's see.
So you telling me he's calling me a copycat when I did a full stream for the past couple of days with
right now.
Oh man.
Wait, how is your copy? Wait, what?
Here, I have a clip.
Whoa, wait, hold on. What is happening?
It's like saying this. Like, ask yourself, how many COD streamers are there? Warzone streamers are there? If you go on Twitch, right? If you go on Twitch, how many streamers are streaming COD? Let's go on Warzone. How many streamers are there right now? Let's go on Browse. Let's go on Call of Duty. Look at all these streamers here. There's like hundreds and thousands of streamers. Like the list goes on and on and on and on. So, hey, all love. Symphony of Beast? Yeah, he's a beast, bro.
He doesn't know if you're trying to pay him homage or you're just trying to steal his strat and give him credit.
You say he doesn't know if you're trying to pay homage to him or if you're trying to steal his strat and give him credit. Oh, bro, I say shout out to Raja every stream. You cannot say I don't. I say it probably every single stream when people mention it because I know people like to start shit, right? And I just like to tell people straight up that, you know, shout out to Raja. I say it every stream. I say peace and love all the time. I even comment on his post yesterday saying it. So. But yeah, we're doing a thing over here anyways. Stay in your lane, homie.
Yeah.
Yeah, stay in my lane.
I mean,
Looks like a fat liquidity weight.
I watch both streams, but
Bro,
truthfully,
it ended up closing in the range.
But truthfully, I like how you break down ideas. Yeah, people have their own opinions on things. People will like, you know, me. Some people like other people. But hey, at the end of the day, we're all different streamers here, and there's gonna be a lot more streams to come here in this Forex industry. You could say he was one of the first streamers here, and I give him props to that, right? But you can't just sit here and say that I'm copying because I'm streaming. You know what I mean? Like, look how many Warzone streamers are there. Are they all copying each other? No, they're just on their own wave. They're on their own, like, whatever they're on, right? Everyone has their own viewers. Like, look, you know, Symphony here, you got Nick Merckx here. Like, you have all these streamers here, and it's just. But hey, Iron Man's an institutional trader. Yeah, Iron Man's a great trader. I never said anything about that. I move away for 3 minutes, and yeah, bro, a lot of shit happened in the past 5 minutes here. Oh, it looks like this 1 hour candle closed above this range here, guys. This 4 hour candle right here, this candle right here actually closed above this resistance here, meaning that this candle has a very high chance of continuing up to fill this range here at 137.718. I think, yeah, 1 hour has a very nice wick fill. I think I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute close, see how we close here to look for nice buys. It's a new hourly candle, right? So if this first 15-minute candle closes bullish here, that could be your hourly low for price to drive up, right? Because you don't know what the hourly low is just yet. Let's see. I might even take buys today. I was looking for sells originally. How long have I been trading for? About 2 years. I'm not sure Roger knows it yet. He's the people using his name for views. Yeah, wick fill on a 1 hour time frame, yes, right? Because I think the 1 hour has a nice wick fill. The only thing is this 15-minute time frame right here closed very weak bullish, but looks like we respected this previous candle low, and we should be headed up today. But I'm not really looking for buys, so I'm not like as locked into these buys yet. I'm not really looking for buys. I was really just looking for sells and got distracted by something, so I couldn't really focus on GJ here. What is this? Great announcement again today, guys. Hey, appreciate all love. Yeah, so like a lot of people like my streams, a lot of people like other people's streams, brand, but a lot of people came from his streams, started watching my streams. Not gonna say any names here, don't want to, but it's all love at the end of the day. It's all peace and love.
At the end of the day, the only thing that matters is your pockets.
Yeah.
Are you ending the weekend blues, or are you?
That's all that matters. Teach Muhammad soccer soon time. Hey, that's Jimmy's job here. Same day, every day drama. Yeah, it's the same shit every day, bro. It's kind of natural at this point, honestly. It's the same shit every day. But hey. Let's see here. Love from Portugal, bro. Hey, all love. Yeah, if you're looking for bias here, I'll say wait for this 15-minute closer. Very important candle. I prefer you want to close bullish here. You'll need a bullish closure to take buys, but because if this candle here, look, if you guys look at this previous candle is very weak here, right? This previous 15-minute candle was very weak. So if this candle does break the previous candle low, we have a very high chance of coming back into this range here. Look left, it's clean traffic right here. Very high chance coming back into range here. And you can probably catch, but you can probably use this as an indication to tell you that price could be driving back down to the support, and then you can look for sells below the support, coming down to the support down here. And these are the sells I'm looking for, below 137.141. But for this to happen, this candle needs to start breaking lows, right? But aside from that, this candle should just continue to go up. That's only if this candle breaks the low, where I'll look for nice sells below here. But if you don't break the lows, I'll probably just, call it a day and not enter any trades. 'Cause I'm not really looking for buys today. Yo, I didn't see the trade on buys because I wasn't looking for buys. They made sense. The buys do make sense. It makes a lot of sense, but I just
I think either way, this 15-minute candle closes, you can probably get an entry.
this fits me. Yeah.
Closes bearish, so closes bullish above the range buy.
It will only get worse the better you get. Yeah, that's what it is. I mean, the more like when I had 8 viewers, no one said anything. You know, when I literally had 8 viewers like a couple months ago, they didn't say anything. Now we're approaching, you know, 200 average-ish, 300-ish. You know, started peaking. Like, yeah, that's when the hate's gonna come in because people are gonna start seeing you doing well. But hey, it's all love. And I give shouts to all my mentors on every streams. Like I say all the time, you know, Hugh Banks, Wixton Lai, Raja, Uncle Ted, you know, Train with Paul, Train with Monty, FX Down Savage, Astro FX, King Sean Lee, Drew Banks, Red Package, you know, Jimbo Trades, you know, Sam Hunt, like all these guys. Like, I give props to them every stream. Bryce Thompson, you know, shout out to all these guys. Like, if you think about it, at one point, I've been on all their Instagram pages. I mean, I got value of something on their social medias. I mean, they have helped me along the way. So, gotta give props to everyone, right? Are you gonna take a trade now? No, I'm not. We're just 15 closer. Like, if it was bullish, I would have been more aggressive on buys. But like, I'm not. Like, I'm more. You see how I'm more conservative on these buys today? I'm not looking for like as much entries. I'm waiting for like deeper, stronger confirmations. That's because today we're just overly trending bearish. So, but now that we're like starting to flip here, yeah, I could look for buys. Maybe above here, 137, 781 would be nice. Coming up to like this, if you do come up to there, that could be the case. Let's see. But yeah, overall we're still still bearish here. But let's see what happens. That's why I wasn't as aggressive on these buys here. The Forex community enjoys drama? Yeah, it does. Alrighty, looks like we're pushing up here on this 15-minute candle here. Do you take any trade?
I wonder why he doesn't. I wonder why he doesn't call Paul or Monty copycats.
What's up?
I wonder why he doesn't call Paul or Monty copycats.
Cause that's his boy. But hey.
Cause they put money in his pocket.
Remember, the high tree's cash to win. You're at a high tree now. Hey, bro, appreciate it. All love. But yeah, I get that reference. Hey Sam, you're a copycat, you know that?
Oh my bad, bro.
Like I've you know, I live stream every morning for you, and you get info off me, off the free live streams on YouTube, and now you're using it to help yourself in your own life, and you're a copycat now, bro. So yeah, you're a copycat, Sam. Technically, that's what it is, bro. Cause like, okay, so I never paid for like any of these mentorships or whatever, right? But I used to watch the streams, but I won't watch it for a good like I think 2 months maybe, right? But like the rest of my stuff, like I've bought courses, like I've had free courses in the past before. I had Q Banks course, I had, you know, Steve Morrow's course, a bunch of courses off my friends, right? But like, hey bro, like for example, if I'm doing something for free on YouTube every morning, and let's say for example FX Samurai here, he pops off and he starts to grow as a trader, I'm not gonna shit on him after. Like I'm gonna be like, yeah, like he doesn't even have to give me a shout out because I'm doing this shit for free. Like if I paid him, sure, whatever. Like I already asked for a shout either way, but like yeah, if you were to pay me, it'd be a different story, maybe, just maybe. But at the end of the day, these live streams are free, and you could do whatever the fuck you want with these live streams. You could make money, you could lose money, you could do whatever you want with live streams, get value out of them, you know, go teach another kid the same shit, like, but like either way, I still give like my, what's that word? I still give my, I guess, I also show love every day, you know? I say peace and love every stream. You know, I still, you know, shout out these other traders
that's
there.
all it is, yo. Like,
I give respect to Raja all the time. And, you know, now that he's starting to see me pop off, he's maybe like, oh, okay, fuck, this guy is starting to pop off here pretty quick, you know? But, like, it's all love. Like, he can help me grow, I can help him grow. But like, unfortunately, this is not what the industry is about. The industry is about shitting on each other and making one better than the other, so that your success doesn't grow. And it's just, you guys know how it goes, right?
Homage. I think that's the word, homage.
Yeah, homage. There you go. Do you need some type of support to be formed above the range to confirmation for taking long? Yeah, so what happens when you tap this area, once you tap this resistance here, is we're probably going to create a range. Why? Because that's some type of resistance there, right? So price has to like reject off there or something. So maybe this can happen here. You can come up here, close bullish, and then eventually start ranging. Yeah, creating that range. Maybe like this, for example, because now this would be your range. Create a range, come down like this, and then maybe take more buys as we break the highs later on like this. Like this could be what could happen. This could what could happen today, right? But we'll most likely gonna start ranging as we tap this resistance level, because look left, we are tapping back into this range here, to this heavy resistance level. But yeah, today's more kind of a chill day. I didn't take any trades today. It's very rare for me not to get trading streams, but if there's no like trades, there's no trades, right? You can't really force a trade. I'm glad when I brought you up. I never found you showing cool live streams. Hey, bro, it's all love. It's all love. See Infinite come here now. Hey, feel free to do whatever you guys want to do here. Never mind. What's about copycats? If you copy, you've done very well with it. I can't. Oh, whatever, bro. I mean, hey, here. For all you guys that came here for that, you know, looking for some drama here. If I've copied, you know, then how come these past 3 days?
Oh shoot! Oh my God! Holy shit!
Bro, GJ is moving
Crazy.
crazy.
Let me close my. What the fuck is that?
Hey,
Wait, what the
all I'm
fuck?
saying is that this management was done with no other live streams here.
Wait, what happened to my?
Holy.
And Mike, we're probably gonna come up to here to range a little bit.
Hey, all love,
Yeah, you guys
all
moving.
love. Yeah, GJ's pushing here. GJ is
I can't
pushing
close
here.
anymore.
Oh, 15-minute close above. Oh shit, I
Holy
didn't see this.
shit!
Yep.
Yeah.
Got-
Wait, what the hell?
like I
just happened
said,
to my...
yeah, I'm not really looking for. I wasn't looking for buys, so.
Wait, what the?
But they're buys.
Hold on.
Damn, this is quick.
Yo, what's up in my?
You guys caught it, Sam? You guys
Bro, that was another like
Yeah.
No, I didn't catch it.
I don't know if I
That was
think
another
caught
like
it.
I was waiting for
What
it to
the
make
fuck
a
is up with
fucking bottom. Wait, no.
It was up with this.
Jesus
trading.
Christ, Sam.
Yeah, what's Jay saying there?
Jay, what's wrong, bro? What's going on there, bro? It
Bro,
sounds so
I was
hectic.
in a trade and then I'm trying to close half and then it's not allowing me to close.
I know it does that
I think it
sometimes.
clo- and then it hit. I think it hit my TP because I had it at like the top of the wick. And
Then there you go. You're good.
But it's not changed. Nothing. Like my balance isn't. changing.
Just close the app and then open it again and then try it again. So weird.
It says like. I don't know.
Alright, let it
My
run
balance
forever.
didn't change, but alright, whatever. Alright, whatever. Holy shit.
Yeah, GJ's pushing here. I wasn't
Oh my God.
like I said, guys, I wasn't really gonna plan
Holy
to take
shit.
any trades anymore. So I wasn't really looking for any trades. But if you guys caught this, I was saying you can wait for the 15-minute close here and you take buys off the 15-minute time frame, which exactly did as that, right? So you
that's
guys
what
have
I-
it.
yeah.
20 pip stops. Like, that was quick though. You guys might have missed it, but I'll say if you're looking for buys now, I'll wait for some type of support to be formed here. Stick buys coming up to like this range here at 138, 165. Because you can look like right now we're approaching this level. Look at the 4-hour time frame. You have clear traffic looking left coming up here. You have absolute clear traffic here. So you could expect price to just kind of push up here. It's like what, another like 60 pip move here? Like 40 pip range you have here. So you can catch another move here. Yeah, GJ is just bullish right here though, right now.
That was weird. What the hell?
Bro, that happened twice. Just like shot up
Yeah.
30 pips in like 5 seconds.
So Iron Man Trading, remember earlier he says like I missed the buys here. Why didn't I buy from down here? I could have easily had just buys from here to here. That would have been my move, right? So it's like you never really know what the low is, man. You gotta follow the trend. Why didn't you get in? You suck. You're a fake guru. Yeah, see, that's what I'll get. That's what I'll get now. But yeah, price moves up, pass down. Broker's trying to not like close. NYSE, yeah, NYSE just opened up. Yeah, NYSE's volume is pushing in here. That's probably where GJ is moving.
Holy shit. Taxi's pushing.
And think about it, there's nothing new under the sun. No one has a strategy that hasn't been discussed. Yeah, this is just simple price action. Yeah, I'll say if you're looking for buys now, wait for like closures above here. 9 minutes here, 30-minute closes in 9 minutes here. If you do close above this resistance here, this range here, you can have nice buys coming up to like maybe this resistance right here. Oh man, my lines are chopped here. Above here, you can look for maybe buys coming to like this resistance here or like maybe here. But I'm not looking for any trades today, guys. I think that's all for me. I was looking earlier on. Like, if I go back here, I was looking. This is what I was looking for. I was looking for like price to like close like below these levels here. It's like sells below here, but price never closed below, right? So that's why it's very important to wait for candles to close. So what happened later was pretty much price just rejected off of this level, and it started to close bullish above ranges. 4-hour closed above the range. So yeah, it looks like from there we just continue up here. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna hop off the streams here. Oh, gold's flying. Yeah, gold just tapped the target. Gold buys were mentioned earlier. 1940 has been tapped here. I'm not sure where you guys got in though, but oh yeah, right there. And that would have been a good entry. This 15-minute candle over here. We did mention this earlier. But I think that's it, guys. I think it's all for today. No trades were taken today. It was just more of a chilling day, I guess. But I appreciate everyone for showing up today, of course. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. And hopefully we'll catch some nice trades tomorrow. But if you guys want to today's streams, yeah, later, bro. Why would your bias bearish today? And my bias is bearish today because earlier on we're obviously bearish. Daily time frame was all the way down here. Weekly is bearish here. Look left, there's clean traffic on a weekly time frame coming down to like these levels down here. So I was kind of more on the bearish side today. But as far as starting to close bullish now, obviously I'm more on the bullish side, but I'm not gonna take any trades today. Alright? So appreciate all the love, guys. Catch you guys tomorrow morning. And peace. Don't overtrade today too. Peace.
Alright, later, bro.